In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing page in Google Sites. Whether you're promoting a product, collecting leads, or sharing an event, a clean, focused landing page can make all the difference. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and build as you watch. First, head to Google Sites by visiting sites.google.com. You'll see an option to start with a blank site or pick from templates. If you already have a style in mind, blank gives you full control. If you want a head start with layout and font choices, a template can save time. Don't worry, everything is customizable later. Click your choice and your new site will open in the editor with the canvas in the center and tools on the right. Now set the foundation by entering your site name and your landing page title. The site name appears in the top bar and helps visitors know where they are. Keep it short and recognizable. The landing page title sits prominently on the page and should clearly convey your offer or message. Think in terms of value, what the visitor gets and why it matters. A concise headline with a supporting subheading often works best. Next, build your content using the Insert panel. Add a clear headline supporting text and visuals. For a strong first impression, use a hero section, select the header area and choose a larger banner style, then add a background image or color that aligns with your brand. Keep text readable by adjusting contrast and avoiding busy images behind your main message. Drop in images or a short video to quickly show benefits, features, or social proof. Use spacing to create a natural flow, group related elements, and keep the most important information near the top. If you're using multiple sections, keep each one focused: problem, solution, benefits, and proof. Aim for clarity over decoration and preview your layout as you go to ensure everything looks good on different screen sizes. Finally, add a clear call to action button that links to your form, product page, or sign up. In the Insert panel, choose button, give it an action-oriented label like Get Started or Sign Up Free, and paste your link. Place at least one button near the top so it's visible right away, and consider repeating it near the bottom for convenience. Make sure the button color stands out, the text is easy to read, and the destination page matches the promise on your landing page. That's it. The essentials for creating an effective landing page in Google Sites. Keep refining your message and visuals, and you'll be ready to share with confidence.